most AI video generators limit you to just generating few seconds videos unless you're using a paid subscription. Today, I will show you a free AI tool that allows you to generate much longer video lengths, up to 30-minute video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I will show you how to generate long AI videos up to 30 minutes for free. Stay with me and I will walk you through the process. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and I want to see your comment on the comment section. First step is our story. Now, first, it is a 3D pencil style story. So you have to specify. All right. So I explained the kind of story I want to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me this. Okay. Now, when dealing with ChatGPT on your story, just step by step. Do not be in a hurry. Step by step. All right. Now it has given me my story. Okay. So I went ahead to ask the kids for the kids main character image prompt. Okay. Main character image prompt. All right. And let's stop this. I sent it, okay, and it gave me my main character image prompt. Now, I went through them. I love what it gave me because I actually specified in my story that it will be two boys and a girl. Okay, now for consistency, it gave me something below, all right. Now, the next thing you request if you're seeing. Now, it is a short story, and I want it to be about a minute plus. So I do not want it much. So I'm requesting for the scene image prompt. I think I'll go with 10. All right. 10 scene image prompt. And this is it. Okay. It has given me the scenes. All right. Now, having given me the scenes, before going for the long, generating the videos in sequence, we equally need in a long form, we equally need to generate our image for consistency. Okay. Now, this particular tool does not use you can use video, but for consistency, it's best to generate your image. So I've gone over to Google Flow. It is Google Flow that I'm using for my image. Let's start a new. All right. I'm using Google Flow for my image. So I'll start with the first image. First, we'll have to generate the kids image first. Okay, for consistency, we are generating the kids image first. Now you send it. Now you can go for 9 by 16 or 16 by 9, but I decided to go for 16 by 9, okay? And paste it. Now I'll come here and copy this style, all right? Add it to the description of our main character and paste. Good. While it's generating, I went back for the second Mia, where is the girl, copied her image prompt, head back to Flow, pasted it here, head back to ChatGPT. Now, you see, when it comes to image generation, Flow does a good job. All right, it does a good job. But there are other image generators you can use. Okay, so I've copied it. All right, you see that now the third image is Noah. Okay, copied it, head back, paste it. All right, equally head back to ChatGPT and copy this. Okay, then head back here and give some space and paste it. Now we've generated our three main characters. In all that we're going to be generating the video, these characters needs to be consistent. Okay, so we have done that. Now the next is this image, the first scene. All right, I'll copy it, head back to Google Flow, click on plus, add this, choose any. Each of the child, I got about two image each child. So you choose, I'm bringing in the three of them down, sorry, the three images down. You see the three of them down here. Then I'll paste the prompt and click on generate. All right. Now I have generated all the images. You see them. But this is not the final. But let me show you. You see reuse prompt, you paste. This is how I got it faster. Immediately I did, this is the 10th one. I copied it. Okay. Head back. Okay. See, click on reuse. The three images will step down. Highlight it and paste the new prompt and click on generate. That is how I was able to generate all the scenes faster because the three people, the three kids are all in my scenes. Immediately I finish the first scene, which is this one, okay, I continue that way. Now the next thing is to keep downloading. Go through the, see the scenes are two to choose the best. The best that you feel gives you what you need is what you download. Okay. Just keep going around. You click, you download, go around, go scroll up. The best in the two images is what you choose. All right. Now, our image are here for consistency. We need this image. That is the first step. Your story is the first. The second is you getting your image for consistency, and which we have gotten. So I'm just downloading them. All right. Let's go with this. So you keep downloading them all. While you're done downloading, you should equally know the first image, the second image, the third image, the fourth image, all of it you should know. Now, having done that, we'll come here equally, copy, come here, and equally copy and download again, up. Now, these are the last image we have downloaded everything. Now, the next thing is head back to ChatGPT and request for video prompt and dialogue. Now, I think the best when it comes to handling of ChatGPT is follow the step, follow it step by step. Don't bombard everything together. No. When you start with the story, finalize the story, then you head over to the image generation. Finalize the image generation before you head over to video prompt and dialogue. Video prompt and dialogue can come together, and that is what I just requested for. Video prompt and dialogue of the 10 scenes. Remember, it is 10 scenes, and ChatGPT gave me everything. All right. We are done with the image. Now head over to your browser, whichever browser you're using, better. On the search, you search for Google Fix this. Okay, that is what you're to search for. All right, click on it. It takes you to this space. And this first one is what you're to click on. Okay, you need to log in if you have not logged in. Okay, I've logged in already. Now you can choose any of them, landscape, portrait, but let's just go with landscape. This is how the interface looks like. Now, these platforms enables long form video generation up to 30 minutes, 30 seconds, up to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. All right. Now, this is how it goes. First, you click on animation. Okay, you animate. You click on video, click on animation. All right. PT. I'm starting with first scene. All right, the first scene. This is it. I'll copy the video prompt and dialogue. When it comes to dialogue, it's better your dialogue is short, the better. You paste it here. I uploaded the image first. Okay, then you send. Make sure it is in view 3.1 and here. Okay, now this is how it is done. This is sim 2. I'll copy it. Okay, while the other one is generating, we'll head back here. Okay, you allow it to generate. All right. Now, initially, what I did was when immediately I got it, I clicked on video. Immediately I click on video, it portrays this way. Click on animate. Now, our video is generated. You can preview it. It has dialogue, it has sound, it has lip sync. So you click on insert, it takes it This is 8 seconds video. Insert, it comes down here. All right. You click on plus for a new scene. It has shifted. Okay. The next thing you do is you come down. All right. Right here, expand it, take out this image, click on plus, add image, add the next image you want to animate, which is the second scene. Come here, Control A and delete. All right. Paste your own and generate again. All right. Head back here, copy the third scene and get it ready with the dialogue. Get it ready. Okay. Once you're ready, you scroll down, allow it to generate, finish. You must allow it to generate and you must click on insert, taking it to the next pile up. You click, it has generated, which is good. Preview it, you can see the quality. Click on insert. It takes it here. All right. Once it's there, you click on plus. Now you can see we have 16 seconds video and we are heading to 21. The same thing, click on add image, add your scene 1. We will continue this process at to the 10th scene. Okay. This, all right, come here, you control A, paste the one you have copied and send to generate. It starts generating. Now this tool has voiceover. Watch the process. I'm on sim 4. I'll copy it with the dialogue too and head back, okay, to VIX. Head back. This tool has image generation, video generation, voiceover, recording, stock, in case you need stock images. It has it. Like I said earlier, you must wait for it to finish generation. Then you click on insert. Okay, that is the process. Once you click on insert, click on plus. You see, we have 24 minutes, 24 seconds video already, heading to 29. I'll keep doing this process till we get to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 30 minutes. All right, now this is the fifth. Upload it. Control A, all right, and paste. Control A and paste the one we copied. Generate. It starts generating. Okay. It starts generating. You wait for it. But first, let's head back and copy scene 5. Okay. I have copied scene 5 to this level. All right. Now, I do not want to cut it. I just want you to see what we'll do to get up to 2-minute video at a go. Then export it. All right. Now, we're at 80%, almost done. Next, preview it, click on insert. Then you click on plus. All right. It takes your video. We have 32 seconds video already. Now you delete this image, add the next image. Okay. This one, open, paste the prompt for that scene and start generating again. While it's equally generating, we are to head back, all right, to copy the next video. To copy the next video. All right. Now you can see there is nothing like key in your what it takes for you to generate. Nothing like that. Okay. You click on insert. All right. It comes down. You click on plus. You see 40 seconds video. All right. Now sim 6. All right. Sim 6. Let's go. We see you click and scroll down. Click here and copy. Right. You head back here, expand, delete, add your image. This is it here, the sixth one. Control A all and paste your own prompt. You see that? Okay, you paste it. The next is sim 7. This is sim 7. You copied it. All right, immediately you copied it. You wait for it to be done generating. All right, this is the process you keep passing through. You wait for it to be done generating. You preview it, click on insert, click on plus again. We have 48 seconds video already. All right, now still the same process. You will watch me while I generate all the videos. All right, now you delete add plus image. Okay, click on the next and paste. All right, and generate. All right, now I had to fast forward it a little bit. You can see we have 1 minute 12 seconds. When we add this, it will be about 1 minute 17 or 18 seconds or thereabout. Now you can see it. Now I will be playing what we generated at the end. The full video, I will be playing it at the end. Make sure you watch it. Okay, so you wait for it. All right, then you click on insert. You see that? Click on insert. Now, in total, we have 1 minute 20 seconds in total. So this is how you download it. Click on file, click on download, and you click on MP4. You wait for it to download. All right. That is how you are to generate your own long form videos using Google Vids for free. So at the end of this video, I will be attaching what we generated. All right. So you get to see what we generated. All right. Now you have to give it time to make sure it is fully downloaded. Okay. It's still downloading and it should be done. So watch what I generated. All right. Do not forget to subscribe.
Good morning! Are you both ready for our biggest adventure yet?
I've been waiting all week for this.
I packed snacks and my lucky walking stick. Let's go!
This forest is even prettier than I imagined. Listen to all the birds singing. I wonder what we'll discover today. Thanks, Leo. We always help each other. That jump deserves 10 points. Whoa! Have you ever seen butterflies glow like that? They must be leading us somewhere. Come on, let's follow them. This place is incredible. It feels like a secret world. I wonder who lives behind that little door. Oh no, the poor little squirrel is stuck. Don't worry, we'll help you. We just need a good plan. I found the perfect branch. These vines are really strong. Together, we can do this. We did it! Great teamwork, everyone! That was awesome! I think they're saying thank you. Best adventure ever. Kindness always brings a little magic.
I can't wait for our next adventure.
Every adventure is better with friends, and helping others makes it unforgettable.
See you on our next adventure.